Of official business in Santa Fe, no time to be going to parks.
Yeah. Plus, if you want to catch a goldfish, there are probably better places than a
yeah, right in our big tank over here.
Exactly right. All right, that's a little behind the scenes. Doesn't matter. All right, let's get into excruciating detail on your forecast. By the way, you guys, we have a La Nina update coming up as well at the end of this, and let me just prepare you, it's not good. 70 here in the metro right now. Winds out of the east at 8 miles an hour. The winds will get gusty later on tonight. For now, though, they're manageable. 50s and 60s for the north right now, down to the south, anywhere from the 50s all the way up into the 70s. As far as showers go, at this point, we're starting to see them die off, but we do still have a few sprinkles across the northern mountains. And as our front slides its way down, we're touching off some storms out into east central sections of the state as well, and a few more out to the west. Nothing that's helping us out all that much, but at least we're getting a little bit out of this deal. And it's going to be very interesting here over the next 24 hours. A few different things are going to happen. We're getting that another blast of cold air coming in from the northeast across the state here. So we'll get windy later on tonight in the metro area. There's going to be enough moisture behind the front, and thanks to a little area of low pressure closing in for tomorrow, those two will combine to favor the northern half and the western half of the state for tomorrow for storms. All the way into the weekend here, we'll start to recycle that moisture, so each afternoon we'll see fewer storms, but the next couple days mainly will be our best shot to pick up some important rain here. Now, usually when you drag a front through the northeast, you think, okay, it's going to be another round of pretty good storms across northeastern New Mexico. But here's what's going on right now. We've got a lot of cool air in place. Cool air is heavy air, so it sits along the surface. And when you get a lot of cloud cover behind these fronts, the sun really can't warm the air up that much, so it moves up in the atmosphere. So that cool air just sits at the surface, and in a lot of cases across the northeast, we're going to end up with a lot of cloud cover, a lot of cool air, but not necessarily widespread storms. Usually it helps to have some sort of trigger to pull the air up in the atmosphere, and we don't necessarily have that across northeastern New Mexico. So while we're going to get the chance at a few showers, we may well see more over the northern mountains and out to the west as well. And is there a little snow in our future? Well, we're definitely seeing changes anyway. Here's a look at tomorrow morning's lows across the northern mountains. Close to freezing in many areas here. So if you dip down into the valleys, you're still going to end up with rain likely if we see anything overnight. But if you get up above about 12,000 feet, there is the possibility of a couple snow showers over the next couple of mornings. Nothing that's going to make a huge difference, but every little bit helps, because yes, it's back, and this is not the kind of scenario we wanted to be talking about, but La Nina is now taking effect once again in the equatorial Pacific, so we're cooling down there. When that happens, the storm track for us tends to stay to the north. We end up with warmer than average temperatures and drier than average conditions as well for storms. So this is not what we wanted to tell you, but it is now no longer a La Nina watch. La Nina is back in effect for this winter, and it's going to intensify as we head throughout the winter. Probably not as strong, though, as what we just came through. 70s for the most part across the Four Corners for tomorrow. Good chance at showers here over the next couple of days in the Four Corners thanks to that weather disturbance. Not as much action across the southwest. Temperatures here 70s and 80s, and over the next couple of days going to be hanging in the 80s with that spot chance at a storm. Over into the south and east, not a great chance for showers here either. Much cooler temperatures in the 70s and 80s though, and we'll see things warm up back into the 90s back half of the weekend and into next week. North and east, 60s and 70s here. Lots of cloud cover. Yeah, we're going to get a few showers around from time to time, but I think most of the real soakers are going to be saved for this area over the northern mountains, where we've got a good chance to grab some showers, and over the northwest as well. Santa Fe extended good shot at showers over the next couple of days, with temperatures warming back into the 70s by Saturday. 60s and 70s East Mountains, mostly cloudy tomorrow with showers at times, and here in the metro, better chance at showers tomorrow than what we had today. And really the next couple of days are pretty decent chances for showers with temperatures fairly cool. Going to stay in the 70s.
It does feel like fall.
It does, especially in the mornings.
And Zozobra, of course.
Yeah.
All right, sports is next.